Does the inside of your car smell musty, moldy, and just yucky every time you turn on the AC? Well, stay tuned. I got 5 ways to fix it. Towards the end of the spring and beginning of summer, you start smelling this nasty moldy smell coming out of your AC vents in your car. There are many factors of what causes this smell, and one of them, the culprit, is a clogged cowl intake. So when you open the hood of your car, you start seeing this perforated vent looking type underneath your windshield wipers. That's where all the air goes to go feed into your AC system. It's where it sucks up all the air and goes inside. If this thing is dirty, and if you have like dead bugs, you have rotting leaves or debris, that's probably one of the causes that's making your inside of your cabin nasty and smelly. Just take one of these thin brushes. These areas, this crevice right here is very hard to clean, and this brush just makes it super easy. This is one I use also when I do my AC vent to clean. Very helpful brush. And you just want to run and get all that nasty stuff out of there. You get all that debris stuck in between there. Yourself a shop vac and vacuum all this. Plus it will improve the airflow inside your car. Another factor that's causing that nasty moldy smell is your evaporator coil inside your car. Just like the AC inside of your home where it has an evaporator coil, your car also has one in your AC system. All that humidity, moisture that gets trapped in there and it doesn't fully dry out, and you get all that dust and debris that gets caught in your evaporator coil and stays in there, over time it will create some mold, mildew, and buildup, which causes that nasty smell. And it's very easy to clean out. Well, I used Mr. Coolitz, this evaporator heater coil cleaner. So when you turn on your AC and you see that dripping underneath, that's actually condensation coming out of your evaporator coil. So all you gotta do is take the hose from Mr. Coolitz and just run it up there, spray the foam, and let the condensation of your evaporator coil flush it out. Shove it in there. Just like this. I'm just gonna depress the whole can till it's empty. Now it's normal to have some of the foam come out of there. So since this is foam and it turns to liquid, get a catch pan, place it underneath. So it's been about well over 15 minutes. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn on the car. And we're gonna put the fan, the AC fan, on low. Just put it on low setting. And now that foam that we just sprayed in there inside the evaporator should automatically slowly dissipate and turn into liquid. So let's go underneath and check it drain out. And then we're just gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes, and that should be it. It's about well over 5 minutes. I could already tell the scent in here. It has that nice fresh scent. So this is all that stuff that came out of there. Imagine this inside there, you're breathing this, and this is what's causing that foul smell inside your car. If you want the same Mr. Coolitz, I'll leave that link on the description down below as well, along with any other tools that I use within this video. Again, I'm not sponsored with any of this. This is just the way I do it every time I maintain, freshen up the inside of my car. Hey there friends, sorry to interrupt, but if you find this video super helpful, kind of hit that big thumbs up, subscribe. It'll greatly help out the channel. With that being said, let's get back to the video. This is the product I'll be using today. It's called FrigiFresh. I've been using this for many years now, and it's been very effective for me. It takes only a few seconds to apply, and it works instantly. It's very easy. All you gotta do is spray it onto the intake vent of your car, and that's it. One can of this goes a long way. I've been using the same can for 1 year now, and I've been using it for multiple cars every month. If you're interested on this one, I'm not sponsored by FrigiFresh, but I'll leave the Amazon link on the description down below. Make sure you take out the cabin air filter so you can use this at its full potential. I'm gonna turn on the car, but make sure that you keep your cabin air filter off. Make sure you roll down all your windows, even the back windows. You're gonna place it on full blast. Turn off the recirculating. So make sure your recirculating air is turned off. Then just take your FrigiFresh, shake it up real good. So now you're gonna stay about 8 to 12 inches away from your cowl intake. And then you're gonna spray this 4 to 6 seconds, and that's it. It'll work instantly. Like that. And that should be it. Now we can turn it off right away. And you want to keep all the windows and even doors open and let the fumes just evaporate out. So don't return to your car for about 10 to 15 minutes. Just let everything cool off for a little bit. And then if you do still smell that musty smell, just reapply as needed. So this is one of the most neglected maintenance for cars, is changing out, and how easy it is. You can do this at home. All you have to do is locate where your cabin air filter is. Dirt, dust, and debris gets clogged up in there. It reduces the airflow inside your car and also creates that nasty moldy smell. Usually it's located underneath or under your glove box. Each model is different. Cabin air filter compartment is right here. Mine's very easy to access. Just take out the cover. So just taking this out, you can see to take in mind before you take this out is the orientation of the airflow. My airflow is going down between the cleats. You can see that there are particles in there. I highly suggest that you get a carbon air filter. It's a charcoal filter. It will help diffuse all that smell out of there going to your cabin. And we're gonna follow the air intake flow. My version of my car, I have to make the arrow face down towards the floor. So depending on your model, make sure you follow the right airflow for your car. Back in the cabin filter casing, and that should be it. Another thing that you want to check also is any type of nesting that's going on around your car. Make sure you keep your car in a nice area where there's free from rodents, because if you have pests like squirrels, raccoons, birds, rodents that will nest underneath your car or nearby where your hood is, that's another factor, and that's another way that you can get all that nasty moldy smell. So keep your area clean, and also make sure you keep the inside of your car clean as well. So there you have it, friends. Those are my 5 tips for you to keep your car nice, smelling good every time you turn on your AC or your heater. It will make your car smell so good, and you will never have that musty, moldy smell if you just keep up with the maintenance. I try to do this at least once a month, at least one of those things. The Frigifresh I do once a month just to keep that maintenance going. But yeah, if you're interested on any tools and materials, anything that I used in this video, I'll leave all those links on the description down below. I'm not sponsored. And if you're watching on the big screen, I'll leave that QR code right here. So let me know in the comment section down below, what do you do as a maintenance item that you do with your car to make the AC, the airflow in your car smelling good and not musty and moldy? If I didn't mention it on this video, leave it in the comment section down below and share with the community. So friends, if you found this video super helpful, again friends, kind of hit that big thumbs up, press the subscribe notification bell, and I'll see you friends on the next video.